All right, this is attempt number 6 of recording my trade recap for December the 2nd. Sheesh. So, going into the day, pretty much the same 4-hour fair value gap was on my screen. What did the price do? Oops. So you can see that these highs were swept right into this bearishness and the price went lower. So looks like the damage was already done for short players. So now we are looking for the short side. So potential short position was already missed. So I was looking for the longs, and we do have this nice 4-hour bullish fair value gap that could be a potential target for the price. And what did the price do? Let's just move on and get a little bit closer look. So all this like bullishness right here being respected, and I was looking for longs once, and that was like a pretty clean indication for me. So that's how a week, whatever week, like you see like a 1-hour week or like 15 minutes week was formed. So we wicked through our PD arrays, like bullish PD arrays, 4-hour, 1-hour, but the price ended up closing above. And what did I do? As you can see, like this price leg up here. So we have bearish fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. We went even higher, breaking the structure to the upside, right? Like once this week got violated. So that's an indication of us, not us, of a market, indication of a willingness to go higher. There is a tiny little price pocket right here, which been beautifully delivered, rebalanced, and the price went up. The more I trade, the more I see those kind of things, especially on the 1-minute chart, when you see this like a tiny little gap right here, which been always a good target, you know, for rebalancing and move on. And also, if you put the fibs on, it was deeper in the discount area below 50%, so a nice chance opportunity for buying. Yeah, and that's what I ended up doing. I put my limit order once the price came up high. I said, okay, I'm not gonna chase, I'm not doing a shit. I'll just put my limit order and just let it go. And the price ended up like filling my limit order right here on this week. Beautifully delivered. Went higher. This was my first target, but once I see this, another fair value gap formed. Let me just get in 5 minutes here. No, it's just a mess chopping around. Anyway, once I did see this impulsive move higher, I'm like, okay, since our bullish structure holds, and we do have another bullish, like bullish signature on top of that, I added another contract right here and bringing my stop loss to break even for the first position. And yeah, it played out. This was my target number 1, and this is the target number 2. It was a pretty decent trade. Lots of things to learn from, right? Yeah, I should study this more. As you can see on 1 hour, they're kind of similar moves like this, like fat ass thing going just displacing lower, offsetting all long players. Same story. Just, we took this high, went lower, just stepped out all the long players, and the price went higher. Yeah, and so I ended up finally I got some money on my account. I made $100 today within 20 minutes, and again, it's just a number. Um, am I happy? Yeah, I'm super excited about my win, but at the same time, win or lose, it doesn't matter. I have to be like emotional without any emotions. Be like a fucking robot in business of trading. But it is what it is. Good pat in the back, $100 in account, and yeah, I'll move on. All right, thank you guys for being here. I'll go ahead study this more, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.